Included in every Duo Performance Pack are 2 lightweight speaker stands, 2 1000-watt QSC powered speakers, a 12-channel audio mixer, 2 microphone stands, 2 Shure microphones, 2 Behringer compact audio monitors, 2 DIs, all the cable you'll need to get it up and running, and a MTAV duffel bag to carry it all. For the purposes of this demo, we'll only be setting up one speaker. You'll need to repeat the appropriate steps for the second speaker. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the speaker stands from the bag. Now hold the stand vertically and loosen the leg housing knob. This will allow you to open the legs. Press down on the leg housing to open the legs, making sure the main brace is parallel to the floor. This allows for maximum stability and safety. Once the legs are set, make sure to retighten the knob to lock the legs in place. Now go to the top of the stand and loosen the knob that holds the upper shaft. Extend the upper shaft till it's slightly above your head. Insert the safety pin into the upper shaft. Lower the shaft until the safety pin rests on the collar, and retighten the knob. You're now ready to mount your speaker. Set the mounting hole to 0 if you want the speaker to shoot straight, or 7.5 if you want a slight downward angle. Now lift the speaker and mount it on the stand. If you find the speaker too heavy to lift, there's another way to do it. Simply lay the speaker stand and speaker down like this. Now insert the stand into the speaker. Now slowly lift the speaker until all 3 stand legs are touching the floor. The power for the speaker is located in the side pouch of the speaker bag. Find the main AC power input at the rear of the speaker and insert the power cable. This cable has a locking style connector, so you'll need to push the yellow button to release it when removing it. While facing the rear of the speaker, make sure that gain A and gain B are set to off. The mic line switch should be set to line. The low frequency or LF switch should be set to normal. The high frequency or HF switch should be set to flat. Remove the mixer's power cable located in the front pocket of the mixer bag. Open the mixer bag, remove the console and place on table. Find the main AC power input at the rear of the console and insert the power cable. Place the 8-input power bar on the table and plug into wall using the provided extension cord if required. Before powering it up, we need to reset or 0 the console. Make sure all the gain knobs are set to -20 or U, and the low cut switch is set in the up position. All the blue EQ knobs should be set to 12 o'clock or U. The mon or monitor knob and the effects knob should be rotated completely counterclockwise and be set in the infinity position. The pan knob should be set to 12 o'clock and the mute button should be set in the up position. All the faders should be pulled all the way down. All the faders on the main graphic EQ should be set to 0. The main mix monitor switch should be set in the up position. The EQ in bypass switch should also be in the up position. Turn on the power bar and plug in the console's power cable. Go to the rear of the console and flip the main power switch into the on position. The main power LED and the LCD numeric panel should now be illuminated. Plug one of the provided extension cords into the power bar and run it out to the powered speaker. Now plug the powered speaker's power cable into the extension cord. Go to the rear of the speaker and flip its main power switch into the on position, or up. The main power LED should now be illuminated. With an XLR or mic cable, go to the rear of the console and plug it in to the main left output. Take the other end of that cable and run it over to the rear of the speaker and plug it into line A. Both inputs on the back of the speaker are combination XLR mic cable and 1/4 inch. This means you can plug in both styles of connector, so don't be fooled. You can put an XLR into the back of this speaker. If you want to tidy up a bit, use the velcro straps on the cables to secure them to the speaker stands. At this point, we're now ready to test the main speakers. Find the 1/8 inch mini to 2/4 inch cable in the front pocket of the mixer bag. Plug the mini 1/8" cable into an iPhone, iPad, or any other music playing device. Hit play on your favorite song and make sure the volume of the device is set to maximum. Go to channel 1112 and plug the other end of the cable into line in 11 and line in 12. Push the fader for channels 11-12 and the main fader to U. Slowly turn the gain knob on channels 11-12 until the meters reach 0. These meters show that you're getting good level coming out of the audio console. Go to the back of the speaker. The signal LED should be illuminated, showing that you're receiving signal. Slowly start turning up the gain A knob. Since you've established good audio level coming out of the audio console, you will not have to turn up the gain A knob very much before getting a lot of volume, so be very careful. Keep turning the volume up until you've reached the maximum volume you think you'll need for your application. Pull channels 11-12's fader all the way down. Take a microphone cable and plug it into the mic input on channel 1. Make sure the low cut switch is in the down position. This helps remove any low frequency rumble or low frequency feedback. While speaking with a strong voice into the microphone, slowly turn up the gain knob until the level set LED starts to illuminate. This shows that you're getting good level coming into the audio console. Now slowly start turning up channel 1's fader until you start hearing some sound. Bring channel 1's fader all the way down. We're now ready to set up the compact monitor. Find the compact monitor accessory kit in the MTAV duffel bag. From left to right, the kit should contain a power cable, boom arm adapter, mic stand speaker mount, a tip ring sleeve to XLR male adapter, and an 1/8" mini to 2 RCA cable. The first thing we'll need to do is unscrew the boom arm from the mic stand. Now screw the mic stand speaker mount to the mic stand. At the bottom of the speaker, you'll find the mounting hole. Mount the speaker on the mic stand speaker mount. Make sure to reset or zero the speaker's mixer. Turn level knobs 1, 2, and 3 fully counterclockwise. All the blue EQ knobs should be set to 12 o'clock. Turn the main level knob to off. Take the speaker's power cable and plug it into the main AC input located at the rear of the speaker. Make sure the line mic switch is in the up position, or line. Plug the speaker's power cable into the power bar. Flip the speaker's power switch up and into the on position. Take the boom arm adapter and screw it into the top of the speaker. Now screw the boom arm onto the boom arm adapter. If after tightening the boom arm does not line up properly, loosen off the boom arm and adjust the black threaded rings until you achieve proper alignment with the speaker. Screw the microphone clip to the end of the boom arm and then mount the microphone to the microphone clip. Take the 1/4" tip ring sleeve to male XLR adapter and plug the tip ring sleeve end into the monitor send output. Since the adapter is short, you'll need to extend it with a mic cable. Now take the other end of that cable and plug it into the main in of the speaker. Before connecting the second speaker, you'll have to repeat all the setup steps. After you've done that, you'll need to continue the signal from the first speaker to the second. To do this, go to the rear of the first speaker and plug a mic cable into the through output. Take that same cable and plug it into the main in of the second speaker. You're now ready to send audio signal to both your speakers. Push the mon or monitor fader to U. Turn the main level on the speaker to 12 o'clock. This is a good place to start when setting up monitor levels. Talking strongly into the microphone that's plugged into channel 1, making sure its fader is all the way down. Slowly turn up the mon or monitor knob until the desired volume is reached on the speaker. This is a pre-fader or before fader knob. This means that your monitor level is independent of the channel fader. This is important because you don't want any movement on your channel fader to affect your monitor level. We're now going to hook up an instrument to the audio console. Take another mic cable and plug it into the mic input of channel 2. Plug the other end of that mic cable into output 1 of the DI. If the DI that you're using has a mono sum switch, make sure that switch is in the up position or disengaged. The G&D or ground lift switch should also be in the up position. If you find there's a hum or a buzz on the channel, pushing the ground switch down, or lifting the ground as it is called, can sometimes eliminate it. Take a 1/4-inch guitar cable and plug it into input 1 on the DI. Plug the other end into your instrument and turn up the volume. Go back to the console and make sure the low cut switch is pushed down. While somebody plays the instrument, adjust Channel 2's gain knob until the level set light illuminates. Slowly turn up the Mon or monitor knob on Channel 2 until the desired volume is reached at the speaker. Congratulations, you're ready to go. Of course, you'll need to repeat these steps for any additional microphones and/or instruments. For more video tutorials, please visit our website at www.mtav.ca, and thanks for watching.